Everybody, I want to talk about this Vevor backpack leaf blower. This was given to me to test and review. I was pretty excited about them sending it to me. I'm going to talk about how it works, how to put it together, and my overall thoughts about it. I was pretty excited. So if you come here, you can see it comes with a backpack blower. They give you a mixing container with a funnel. This does take 40-to-1 oil fuel mix. It comes with these tools here. A little 8mm to 10mm wrench. It comes with a screwdriver socket combo and a small flathead here. It also comes with earmuffs to protect your ears. And to put it together, it pretty much came in about 4 pieces. So the main piece, they have this flex tube here, and then they'll give you these metal clamps. So you're going to put this first flex tube on and tighten the clamp here. Then you have your second piece, plastic piece that clamps on to the flex tube here. While you're doing that, you're going to get your throttle and you're going to tighten it onto this piece of tube. Wasn't exactly sure where it went, but I put it on and then kind of got a feel of where it was comfortable. Then I tightened it in place. And then you have these 2 other tubes. Now, just so you know, to put these on, you push it in and then you have to twist it, both of these, and then you have to line it up with these screws here. I had a little bit of trouble trying to line it up with these screws, so I had to kind of like wiggle it a little bit until the screw found the place to where it would be seated, and then you just tighten it. I just used a drill for all of that. It does have these straps. They hook onto the backpack straps, which are padded. They hook onto there's a hole in the plastic base here that they connect to. And then you're pretty much good to go. Now the main piece here, you have the engine up here, carburetor in here. Here's the choke. Here's your fuel tank, obviously. Again, 40-to-1. And then the primer's kind of hidden up here. You have to kind of reach all the way up and then you'll feel it. And it's up there, kind of hidden. Again, you have the choke here, and I'm going to show you how to get started. Now, in terms of power, I have used everything from handheld blowers, which I'd say are on the bottom of the scale, all the way to these higher-end backpack blowers. And I've used some of the high-end backpack blowers, which I would consider a 10 out of 10 on power. This one, I would probably consider it about an 8 out of 10 in power. And I'm going to talk about those notes here.
This backpack blower has an engine speed of 6,500 RPMs and a fuel tank capacity of 1.37 liters. It is also rated at 480 CFMs.
Power-wise, it seemed pretty decent. Backpack blowers are nice because obviously you can strap them on and you can go wherever you want. As long as you have the fuel to keep you going, you're not stuck with battery life, or you're not stuck with the length of your cord. So a lot of people use these for property maintenance. If you have some big leaf blowing jobs, if you want to blow out your barn, and blow out anything like the back of your truck or anything that needs a lot of power and a long time. So we're going to use this to blow a lot of the leaves off in the yard, and we're going to show you the power of it. Again, I feel like it's about an 8 out of 10 on the scale of little to the most power. And pretty happy with it so far. We're going to start it up again. So this is going to be a cold start here. So all you need to do, or what I do, is first off, you make sure your switch is on. So the circle is off. The line is the international symbol for on. And then you're going to put your choke on since it's a cold start. So your choke is going to be up. And when you think of choking, if you like choke a person, you're restricting air. So you're restricting air here and giving more fuel on this initial startup. So we're going to try this on the table here. So we're going to pull a couple times while it's choked. It might start up, and then we'll take the choke off after it starts up. So here we go. I'm going to prime it 6 times. It's a little hard to reach that priming bulb, but it's up there. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the fuel lines there. And we're going to try and get this started and see how it goes. It should be a nice gentle pull. So hopefully that gave you a good idea of how it worked. Again, I'm pretty happy with the power. It's fairly lightweight. It's very comfortable on my back, and I'm excited about using this. It's going to come in handy. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.